Good morning students and welcome to my channel Maths with Mahanti sir. Children, in the previous lesson I was discussing problems of brain teaser from chapter square root chapter 1. Okay, as per your DAV book. I had completed number 1. Let us discuss number 2, 3 other numbers. In number 2 it is given find the square root of 10 correct to 4 places of decimal. You see. That means we have to find square root of 10 correct to 4 decimal places. So as we want to find the square root of 10 correct to 4 decimal places, then after the decimal point there will be how many digits? 10 digits. Okay. So and definitely we have to put 10 zeros, you see. That means let us write 10.0000000 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is one pair. Okay. Now do the pairing. Now see. This is 1. So now you put 3, 3. 3, 3 is 9. Subtract. Carry. Subtract 1. Bring this period. It is 0. It will be 3. Add here. Okay. So it will be 6. Now put here. Shift the point here. Put here 161 into 1. It will be 61. Then subtract. It will be 39. Bring this period 0, 0, then add here 1, it will be 62. Now the point is, what to put here and here. Let us try with 6. Try with 6. 6, 6 is 36, carry 3. 6, 2, 12 plus 3, 15, carry 1. 6, 6 is 36 plus 1, 37. Subtract. This is 4. 10 minus 6, 9 minus 5, 4, 8 minus 7, 1. Okay. Then you add here 6. It will be 6, 32. Okay. Then you bring this 0. This period. Okay. Now, what to put here? You see. Next, what to put here? 12. 6, 6, 12, 2, carry 1, 3. Yes. 2 plus 1, 3. Now you try with 2. 2. Now 2 into 2, 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12. Subtract 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 4, your 5. Children, you know what is long division method of finding square root. So I am doing only that way. Here we have to test only and write down. Try with 2, 2 2 4, 2. So 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 6 12. Now you subtract 10 minus 4 is 6, 5, 13 minus 6 is 7, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now you bring this period 0, 0. Then you add here 2. It will be 2 plus 2, 4. 2, 3, 6. 6, 3, 2, 4. It is 175600. That means 1,75,600. Okay. So then what we have to put? You see. We have to find correct up to how many places? We have to find correct up to 4 places. 4 places means we will find 5 digits in the quotient. 5 places in the quotient. Only we have got 3. Now what to put? You see. Here it is given what? Here it is given 17. Here it is 17. Here it is 6. So if we put 3, 3, 6 is 18 and it will be more. Okay. It will be more. So let us try with again 2. 2. Because you see, if you put here 3, what will happen? 6, 3, 2, 4. 6, 3, 2, 4, 3 and 3. You multiply, you will find it is greater. 3, 3 is 9, 12, 3, 2, 6, 7, 3, 3, 9, 3, 6, 18. You see, 1,89,729 it is greater. So we cannot put 3. So definitely we have to put 2. So put 2. Now 2, 2 is 4, 2, 4, 8, 2, 2 is 4. 2, 3 is 6, 2, 6 is 12. Okay. 10 minus 4, 9 minus 8, 5 minus 4, 1, 5 minus 4, 15 minus 6 it is 9, 6 minus 2 it is 4. Okay. Now you add here 2. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4, 2, 6, 3. Okay. We got 4 places. Still another period is left. So bring 0 and 0. Okay. Bring 0 and 0. Now you see it is 49,11,600. So what we will put here and here in the divisor and quotient so that the product will be less than this. It will never be equal to this because the given number 10 is not a perfect square. It is a non-square number or non-perfect square. So the remainder will never be 0 in long division process. Already you know children, we have discussed in the class. So what to put here, you see. Now it is given, look at the digit 6, here it is 49. If we try with 8, I think 8 will be more than, if we put here 8 and 8, and if we multiply 8 by this number, then the product will be definitely less than this, more than this. You see how? Let us check. We have to confirm 632, see 632, 44. It is already there. Now you put here 8 and here 8 and you multiply. 8 is 64. Carry 6. 32 6. 38 carry 3. 8 4 32 plus 3. 35 carry 3. 8 2 16 plus 3. 19 carry 1. 8 3 24 plus 1. 25 carry 2. You see, now this became more. Look at. By putting 8 here and here, the product is becoming more or greater than this number. So we cannot put 8. So definitely we have to put 7. So let us try with 7. Okay? Let us try with 7. Let us put 7. 6, 3, 2, 4, 4, 7 into 7. Let us try with 7. 7, 7, 49, carry 4, 7, 4, 28, 32, carry 3, 7, 4, 28, 3, 31, carry 3, 14 plus 3, 17, carry 1, 7, 3, 21, 22, carry 2, yes, it is 44. Now see, this is 44,27,129, which is less than this number. So definitely we have to put 7. So 4, 4, 2, 7, 4, 4, 2, 7, 1, 2, 9. Now you subtract. 10 minus 9, 9 minus 2, 5 minus 1, 11 minus 7, 10 minus 2, 8 minus 4. This will be the remainder. And after this, no more division is possible because there is no other period. In the dividend, there is no other period. Okay. So we cannot go ahead. Okay. Now we got how many places? 5 places. But what is the question? The question is, we have to find the square root of 10 correct to how many places of decimal? 4 decimal places. So you have to round this number. You round this number, round the 5th place. Here it is 7. So you add it, add 1 here. This is the rule. You know how to round number. So you round this one. On rounding this place, 1 will be added and it will be replaced by 0. So what will be the answer? 3.16230. This 0 will be cancelled. So 3.1623. This will be the approximate square root of 10 correct to how many places? 4 decimal places. Children, I hope you understood. We have already discussed this thing in the class. Just for practice we are doing. I mean, we are just applying our understanding to problems. Okay, this is how to find the square root of 10, which is a non-perfect square correct to 4 decimal places. This will be the answer. Okay, next, number 3. In number 3 it is given, see, what is the question in number 3? In number 3 you are given to find the square root of, again, another non-perfect square given. So what is the question? The question is 3.1428. See, find the square root of 3.1428 correct to how many places? Correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, here 3 decimal places. So as we are asked to find correct to 3 decimal places, we will take how many digits after the decimal point? 3 into 2 plus 2, that is 8. We have to take 8 digits after the decimal point because we want to find the square root of this number correct to 3 decimal places. When it was asked to 4 decimal places, we took how many digits? 10 digits. It is asked 3 places, so we have to take 8 digits. But we are already given 4. So we have to add 4 zeros only to the right. That means, what will I write? I will write 3.142800 and 0. We have to find its square root. Let us find out. 3.14280000. Okay. Now do the pairing. First period, second period, third period, fourth period. Now it will be unpaired, remain unpaired. Put 1. 1 is 1. Subtract, then shift the decimal point here. Being this first period, that is 14. So add here 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, what will you put? You see, you put here 7. Put here 7. So it is 27 into 7. 7, 7, 40. 9 carry 4. 7, 2, 14 plus 4. It is 18. 189. You subtract. 14 minus 9 it is. 14 minus 9 is 5. 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. 25. 14 minus 9. 10 minus 8. Yes, it is correct. So then you add 27 plus 7. It will be 34. Now you bring this period. 28. So it is now 2528. So what to put here and here? You see, here it is 25, here it is 3. So if we put 7, 7 3 is 21. But if we put 8, 8 3 is 24, but the product will be more. So better you put 7 here. See, let us try with 7. So 347 into 7. This is the rough one. 7 7 49. Carry 4, 7 4 28 plus 4 32. Carry 3. 7 3 is 21 plus 3 24. It is 2429. 2400 your 29. Subtract 18 minus 9 9. 18 minus 9 11 minus 2 9. 11 minus 2 4 minus 4 0. Okay. Now 99. 18 minus 9 9 1. 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 minus 4 0. Okay. Now you bring this period 0 0. Then you add here. It will be 14 5 354. Then what we have to put? 9900. Yes. What we have to put now, you see. What will we put? If we put here 3. If we put here 3, what will happen? Let us see. By putting 3, what will happen? Let us see. 3 5 4. 3 5 4. It is suppose 3 and 3. Put 3 3 9. 3 4 12. 3 5 15. 1 16. 3. Look at it is coming 10,629. By putting here 3 and here 3, the product is becoming more than this number. Okay, so we cannot put 3. So as we cannot put 3, so definitely we have to put 2. So put here 2 and 2. Now 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, carry 1, 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7. So subtract 10 minus 4, 6 9 minus 8 1, 8. 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 8, 1, 8 minus 0, 9, yes. So now you add 2, okay, this will be 4, 4, 5, 3. Now you bring this period, the last period, that is 0, 0. So it is 2,81,600. Now the point is, what to put here in the divisor and the quotient. So you see, it is 3, here it is 28. Let us try with 8. Let us put here 8 and 8. If the product will be more than this, then we have to 8. 8 3 is 24. Let us try with 8. If the product will be more than this number, then we will write 7. Let us see. 3 5 4 4. 3 5 4 4. 8 into 8. That means I put here 8 and here 8. 8 8 64. 6. 8 4 32 6. 38, 3, 8, 4, 32 plus 3, 35, again 3, 8, 5, 40 plus 3, 43, 4, 8, 3 is 24 plus 4, 28. Let us see. Yes, it is becoming more, 2,81,000, but it is becoming 2,83,000. So this number is greater than this, so we cannot put 8. So definitely we have to put how much then? 7. Let us try with 7, okay. Let us try with 7. I am trying with 7. 7, 7. Okay. So put here 7 and here 7. 7, 7, 49, 4, 7, 4, 28, 32, 3, 7, 4, 28 plus 3, 31, 3, 7, 5, 35 plus 3, 38, 7, 5, 35 plus 3, 38, carry 3. 7 3 21 plus 3 24. You see, this number is less than this, 2,48,000. So it is less. So we will take 7. So what is the product? It is 2 4 8 1 2 9. Now you subtract 1 9 minus 2 7 5 minus 1 4 11 minus 8 3 11 minus 7 minus 4 is 3. Now this will be the remainder. Now further division is not possible because there is no other period in the dividend. Okay, so we cannot go ahead. We cannot divide it anymore. Okay, so now we got the square root of this number correct up to how many places? We have got 4 places because we have taken 8 digits after the decimal point. But what is the question? The question is we have to find its square root correct to 3 places. So definitely we have to round this place. We have to round the 4th place. Now you round the 4th place. As the 4th place is 7, as I have already told you, the place which you want to round off, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then you add 1 to the previous place and replace that digit by 0. That means if you add 1 here, it will be 373, it will become 73. So 1.773 and this will be replaced by 0 and this 0 has no value. So what will be the answer? 1.773. This is approximate. This will be the approximate square root. Approximate, not exact. This will be the approximate square root of 3.1428 correct to 3 places of decimal or decimal places. Children, I hope you understood how to find. These are the things which we have discussed in our normal class. But here we are just applying our understanding to problem. By doing problem, our understanding will become very sharp. Okay? So, if you do problem, your understanding will no doubt become very sharp. So, this is how to find the square root of non-perfect squares correct to certain number of decimal places, what we had earlier learned or discussed in the class. Okay. So with this I completed just number 2 and 3. The other numbers we will discuss in other class. Okay. Some other class I will discuss the rest of the numbers present in your given in your brain teaser part. So children, I think whatever I am discussing, it is very useful, very helpful to you. You must be understanding the way I explain the things. Apart from the theory, now I am explaining problems and I am sure it must be very helpful to you. And if at all it is true, then I must say, children, please like and what? Hit the like button and subscribe my channel so that I will be happy and encouraged to discuss more and more things. I mean all the exercises I am going to discuss serially one by one because I have covered the entire syllabus of class 8 in my previous videos. So now I will discuss, I will carry on discussing what? I will carry on discussing the only exercise questions as given in your book. And after this book is completed, your textbook is completed, I will also discuss problems from other reference books like R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, together with, there are so many books, reference books. Okay. So, children, I feel you must be very happy that Mahanti sir, whatever Mahanti sir is explaining, yes, we are able to understand. And if at all it is true, please hit the like button. And you just subscribe my channel so that you will be able to see everything in detail, whatever I am discussing in the class. Okay, we will again meet in another class to discuss more questions on this brain teaser of chapter square and square root. Okay, thank you.